Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use Kraken SDR step by step. Start by connecting Kraken SDR to your computer and installing the correct driver and software, then configure the sample rate and gain for your first scan. Keep a calm pace, explain settings clearly, and narrate what each control does while demonstrating live captures and spectrum views. Pause for questions and show troubleshooting tips for common USB and driver issues. Start by powering the Kraken SDR with a reliable USB port and use a shielded cable for best performance. Open your SDR software, select Kraken as the input, set sample rate to 2. 4 MSBS or what matches your antenna, and set initial gain low. Verify antenna connection, choose appropriate mode like AM, FM, or USB, and begin a short test scan while adjusting gain and frequency to isolate signals. Document working settings for future sessions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which has a crisp display and long battery life, perfect for technical manuals and field guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you like easy reading on the go. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use waterfall views to spot signals visually and zoom into narrowband transmissions for clearer demodulation. Adjust filters and bandwidth to remove noise, then switch demod modes and tweak gain until audio or data decodes cleanly. To record, set file format, choose sample rate and file directory, and monitor disk space during long captures to avoid dropouts. Label recordings with frequency, mode, and timestamp for easy retrieval later. Practice captures help you build a consistent workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.